My name is Wendy Tarr. I'm the Executive Director for ARCH, accompanying Returning Citizens with Hope. We are really excited to be partnering with Spencer's Clubhouse and Acuity to offer the 6 Degrees of Freedom program that helps train people in the CAD field. This is a really exciting opportunity for people to gain technical skills that will help them in their career pathways in order to make good jobs that will be able to support them and their families.
Prior to CAD, the way people were to tell someone else how to make something, they had to write it down on paper. And that was about the only way. You'd have an easel, just a board, and then you'd put a piece of paper on top of it, and then you'd have a protractor and something, a square, and just ways to make lines and show how things are made. Then it started being done with computers. Shortly after, they started making 3D representations of every single thing that exists. And that is where the work is right now. That is where CAD unifies inspection, manufacturing, like every aspect of it. The graphical design, every aspect of this component has that digital CAD model, and virtually every object has that 3D representation.
The Clubhouse is a peer-to-peer model. We're all in some form of recovery for mental health or substance abuse disorders, and as peers we're helping others with the support they need for their recovery paths. So that's our main function here, and with the introduction of our Clubhouse, Spencer's Clubhouse is mainly to add onto our peer-to-peer programming the employment support systems that they need, so vocational education, helping people kind of develop an employment plan if they're interested in it, and help support them in their pursuit of their employment goals and education goals as well.
The industries that are supported by CAD are wide, basically because of that concept of everything that is in existence right now has a 3D representation of it somewhere. Every time you watch a movie and you see an intro screen for a production company, that is CAD. Every car you drive, every component in that car, there's a CAD model of it. I am right now measuring ketchup bottle lids to determine whether or not those ketchup bottle lids are going to both survive packaging and transit without spilling your ketchup when you put it upside down. Everything needs to be measured, and all of these jobs exist through this central aspect of learning that how do I interact with a digital representation of a 3D object.
The 6 Degrees of Freedom program will be 6 months, offered in Delaware County, where you will gain a beginner's certification in CAD.
You might be asking yourself, am I the right type of person for this class? Generally speaking, if you're interested, you're the right type of person for this class. And that could be, I want to know how a car is made. I think robots are cool. I like solving puzzles. What you don't need to be is good at math in order to do this job. One thing that I've noted is that there are some excellent mathematicians who still can't tell the story of what's important about a part. And that's what we're doing. We're telling a story. And it's the interest in the story that's going to allow you to do the job. All of those paths are possible through the avenue of CAD, and this is a starting point for that.
The way people can participate in the class and the Clubhouse is, in general, Safe Harbor is a drop-in center. You can come at any time and participate in any of the programming. For the Clubhouse, there is a member application, because from there we'll get a sense of what needs, like a needs assessment to see what you're interested in and also what you might need from us to help you achieve your goals.